Hello, welcome to this video material which is prepared on productivity, efficiency and effectiveness. Today I'm going to tell you the difference between or among productivity, efficiency and effectiveness. So the concepts, differences, the main focusing area of productivity, efficiency and effectiveness respectively. Productivity, efficiency, and effectiveness are the sensitive issues of any business organization. Why? Because an organization wants to become productive enough. An organization wants to utilize the resources wisely or efficiently. And an organization wants to become effective by achieving the predetermined goals and objectives or targets. So what productivity, efficiency, and effectiveness means? So let us see the definition, the concepts, the differences in between or among these, and the main focusing area of productivity, efficiency, and effectiveness. Okay. Productivity is a measure of efficiency of production, and it simply compares the amount of output to the amount of input used in the production process. So productivity measures the efficiency of the production process. To say a given company or organization is productive or not, simply we have to compare the amount of output is produced within a given period of time and the amount of inputs like labor, raw material, machines and the like. So in order to produce a certain amount of outputs or products or to provide a service, we need to have a certain amount of inputs. So productivity mainly concerned with comparing the amount of outputs received or produced to the amount of materials or inputs utilized. So the main focusing area of productivity is measuring the relationship between output and input. It simply measures the relationship between outputs and inputs. So the mathematical formula for measuring productivity is given as productivity equals to the ratio of outputs over inputs. So you can calculate in such way. Mathematically, you have to make a ratio of outputs to inputs in order to measure productivity. For example, a company that increases the number of units produced per hour of labor is improving its productivity. As you can observe from this slide, the number of units produced within a given period of time is or are outputs and labor hour is an input, which is essentially required in order to produce units of products. Okay. The second one is efficiency. Efficiency is about utilization of resources wisely. So an organization is considered to be efficient when the company or the organization becomes in a position of minimizing wastes and reducing the amount of resources required in order to produce a given amount of output. So by definition, efficiency refers to doing things right, which is the effective implementation or effective execution of operational activities. So it focuses on minimizing waste of time, minimizing waste of money, minimizing waste of raw materials and maximizing output. So example, a company that produces more units of a product using fewer resources like time, labor, or material is considered to be efficient. Okay, So efficiency is all about utilization of resources wisely. It focuses on using a minimal resource in order to produce what is required or the required amount of output is. But the resource that must be flow into the production process should be minimal. The third one, effectiveness. Effectiveness is about doing the right thing to achieve the desired goals or outcomes. So effectiveness measures to what extent in which the predetermined goals and objectives are achieved. So effectiveness focuses on end results. It focuses on achieving goals. It focuses on achieving targets. It focuses on achieving the predetermined objectives or targets. So these are performed or delivered through by producing tangible or intangible products. By identifying customer needs and demands, we can successfully meet the target. Example, a company that meets its sales target by producing a product that meets customer needs and demands is considered effective. Okay, the key difference in between or among productivity, efficiency, and effectiveness. The main focusing area of productivity, efficiency, and effectiveness. Productivity focuses on measuring and comparing output to inputs, whereas efficiency about minimization of wastes or wise use of resources or materials or inputs. And in turn, effectiveness is all about achieving goals. And what effectiveness? What productivity? What efficiency measures? Productivity measure output relative to inputs. So we have to make a ratio in order to measure productivity, which means productivity is the ratio of outputs to inputs. So we can express the productivity in terms of percentage. Efficiency measures resource utilization and effectiveness measures goal attainment. And productivity answers this question: how much output per input? How much output is achieved or produced within a given period of time given inputs? And efficiency answers the question: how well are resources used to produce output? So it focuses on efficient or wise utilization of resources, minimal resource utilization. And effectiveness answers this question: are we achieving our goals with these outputs? So this is the basic difference in between or among productivity, efficiency, and effectiveness. This is all about the difference at all. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment, and hit the bell in order to get more videos. Thank you.